Peggy down there again. So I could sneak up on her like I did the last time. She wouldn't even know it. I am quiet. And she's concentrating on what she's doing. And am I gonna sneak up on her and shout boo? No, I don't think so.
So Norm was just down in this area. I have no idea what he did. Oh, but I love this. Norm, maybe you'll have to stick with me though. How am I supposed to know which things you did? Did you do this? I would assume. Yeah. Isn't that gorgeous?
Nice and sparkly, isn't it?
Oh, that's really pretty. If I was gonna like art glass, I guess I'd fall for something like that.
Yeah, I would too.
I do have this candy dish and white milk glass by Westmoreland. They're really nice to put out for Valentine's Day decor. I like my white one. A lot less money maybe than a turquoise one. I like this. I don't know what a kudu is. So I should zoom out because it's a little too close here. And that's a very nice figurine. Beautiful antlers. Oh, I like this. I love that.
Is that
It's a giraffe.
Giraffe.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's really hard to show way in there. Without getting glare. I'll try it without my light too, but that is gorgeous. I wonder who made that. Is that a
Hull.
Oh, Hull too. Yeah, they made gorgeous pieces like that.
35.
Yeah, they're very expensive. Yeah, I don't need it. Beautiful.
Magic words.
Here's a fancy slide glass. Maybe you would call that lion box. Look at this crazy. Do you think that's an elephant? Yeah, that's an elephant.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy? That's funny.
I'm sure I still have it.
I got one just recently, but it was more in yellow and brown. A lot more yellow.
Just leave that up.
I like
See
him.
the price.
Yeah. This is so cute. That's really cute.
There's some people coming here.
This is a very good price, $24 for a Hager vase, picture type vase, I guess. Very nice, but I have an awful lot of green drip Hager pieces. I hope you guys don't mind, but I must film some of this jewelry counter here. It is really fun. And look at these tiny, more blue glass. Really teeny tiny things though. But there's things I want to show you, like my love of these old earring trays. $9.95. Probably includes the little pierced earrings on it, and this one is very rare. I just don't do purple. I used to have 2 or 3 of these googly eye owls, and they were really selling well. See, this is $13.95. This is by Revere, I believe, not Torino, I think. It usually says somewhere, but I don't see it on the back. But they were very popular. So I had a pink one and a green one. And here's the glove. Had one of those. I don't anymore. Okay. Well, you can see. Sorry. This place is full. Look at this gorgeous windmill picture. Wow. Imperial. Wow, look at the lucite handle on this beautiful coffee server. I'm guessing. I don't know much about those, but these are really neat. I've never heard of Howard Pierce. They could be newer. A really pretty bear. This is sweet. Go in focus here. There you go. I don't know why he doesn't want to stay in focus. And a cat. And this is really cute too. The deer. No, I've not heard of Howard Pierce. Oh my. There's way more. A wolf? A goose? And I'd say this is a goose too. Very modern. But this says Ladro. I've heard that name a lot. Never seem to run across it. I'm not crazy about any Ladro stuff. I don't know. It all seems to be white. Maybe not. Maybe white and blue. I don't know. Not familiar with his or her stuff. I've always thought these were pretty. These red-headed ducks. Not sure if it's just something artsy or they were trying to do a duck that's similar in real life. I have no idea. But they are colorful and fun. That's pretty cute. A sleepy baby, and it looks to me like a hobbyist piece on the bottom. That's pretty cute. Here's some more fun art glass for you. Very cute. Look at that fun fish. Out to lunch. Yeah, that's amazing. How do they do that? I don't know. Norm and I have watched some glass blowing videos on YouTube. They're pretty neat to watch. Ideally 40s or 50s. Wow, they are expensive. Oh, lots of skunk collectors out there. Wow. Here's some more D. Lee pieces. It is California vintage pottery pieces. I don't think I remember hearing about them either, but it is a very cute pair of beads there. I like those. Oh, there's some more of that fancy caprice. The glass, that's gorgeous. Wouldn't that be gorgeous in a cabinet, a whole set of those? Wow. Beautiful pieces. Walther and Son, a bank, 1930s. Look at this peachy glass lady. Barrel decanter. Ducks Unlimited. Maybe it's not old. I don't know. This is pretty fancy, isn't it? Wow. Those are some stems. They kind of look like they'd be uncomfortable to hold on to. You're probably just holding on to the bottom of the glass, not stems. It's quite a decanter. Wow. Wow. That's quite a finium. Or stopper, I should say stopper. Pretty fancy. The turquoise is very pretty. I like. Yeah, it's McCoy. We found one somewhere, a turquoise, really neat turquoise vase that we picked up. I haven't put it in the decor yet because I'd already done the living room.
Wow, that's a big vase. Blue and green art glass. Yeah, no kidding. Amazing how they make stuff like that. I tried that, it wouldn't look very good. Watch our step here. Let's see what they got around the bend down here. Lots of toys. Lots of toys. They got a lot of John Deere collections here. There's a cool airplane up there. Old airplane. That's a sturdy toy. That's when he made stuff that doesn't break. You could throw that at your sister, it'd bounce off, and she'd throw it back at you. And she was a good shot, too. Hardly ever missed. Yeah, that's a big collection, wow. This has been used and played with. Oh, that's kind of streamlined. I don't know why they bother making one like that, but I'm not a farmer.
I have the salt and pepper to this. I thought it was a turkey when I bought it, but it's actually supposed to be a peacock. And this is the napkin holder that goes with it, which I have seen here and there. But yeah, I use my crazy fall colored peacocks for turkeys. It's pretty cute. Wow. Never cared for the wine color. Just, I don't know. Not my favorite. I weaken and get some little planters sometimes that have a little wine on them that are, you know, your little animal planters for Easter. That's okay, but I would never get anything major, I would think. But this is so antique-y to me. I have no idea. It's $2.75. That is a big piece. Here's a cute little lammy. Wow, $135. Is that Lefton? I don't know. Rubens? Oh, it's by Rubens. Boy, that's hard to read. It's a really tiny print. Wow, $135. But there's so many people who love that kitschy stuff. And that's a drip glaze egg plate. $10. A little too fall looking, I think, but there are people who have collections of these funny clown juicers. Boy, you'd think that would really wear the paint off their head. Putting an orange or lemon on that. Yeah, Norm said he didn't do these. It says silly dog shakers on the tray. Yeah, they're funny. Quite little. And this kitschy fishbowl kitty. These are pretty cute planters too, aren't they? Little baby girl. Boy, she's got a lot of hair for being a baby. Very sweet. I got that guy back there. Oh, his eye is missing. The paint, wow. Yeah.
I should get one of these and carry it with me. I'm carrying around so much change all the time. I dig in a bod in my pocket and pull everything out, pick through it. I had this. I just go click, click, click. Yeah. I've seen them where they have 4 usually. This is kind of unusual. It's only 3. She looks pretty content for playing the same old tune. Oh, this is really something. Roman stripe cased glass. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah, that's nice. Wow. That's pretty fancy. American Electric Oak Phone. One of the best. I'll bet, yeah. 525. Boy, that's really good condition.
Can you believe it's just cabinet after cabinet after cabinet filled with glass? Look at this. I mean, it is just full to the ceiling. More blue glass. Can you believe the blue glass? Wow. That is really sweet. Very small little fish. And here too. That would make a very pretty collection if you just were collecting fish. Now that's sweet, and I have one, not in those colors. I think mine's in greens, maybe? Shawnee planters are so sweet. Ugh. Lots more blue glass. I hope you're not burned. Ooh, burned out on blue glass. Look at that. Wow. That is big. This is just a tin, so I think I can move it carefully. Look at that crazy thing. Wow. I'm sure Norm showed you walking in back here, but maybe I can find some things that I like looking at that he didn't see. There you are. Aww. This is probably a whole set of dish towels. And his child is fair of face. $29 for a whole, maybe a set. Oh, aren't these cute? The bonnet. Little bonnet girl and boy. So it's both of them. Little girl and boy. That's very cute. People love to display that. These are very fun. Older looking mitts to me.
Those are nice ones.
Calico, yeah, they don't look like they were never used. Oh, see, these were, what do you call these? A little premium or something?
Premium probably when you go to a gas station or whatever.
$10, yeah. Wilmer, Minnesota is south of us.
Yeah, it is. Right.
Gilbertson Oil. Is that more like a gas station?
Yeah, I think so.
Same thing. Oh, Season's Greetings. That's pretty cute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're very quaint with the calico prints. That's fun. Worth $10.
Anybody got a match?
50 cents each. Well, they're fun to fill up.
Sure.
Oh, a jar. A clear jar.
Yeah.
Silly. King Edward cigarillos. Oh, here's a Casey's.
That's not be new. They probably work.
I don't know how long Casey's been around. So, a lot of this stuff, you know, is maybe not so fancy back here, but it's still fun. Oh, there's still some nice glass pieces. We have that brown slag swan. I think ours is a little bit smaller. I don't know. Seems like it would be, but look at the stagecoach, Norm. Oh, wow. All ceramic stagecoach.
Well, that's funny.
Yeah, is that a bank? Yes, a bank. $10.
$10, huh?
Yeah.
Do I have any money to put in it?
The stopper is really old. You can tell that's old. It's all dried up.
I can, yeah.
It's cute.
Where would I put it in the bedroom?
Well, you'd have to put it on another little shelf.
On the little shelf?
We'll have to start putting up little shelves in your room.
I gotta put up two
Like
shelves
me.
for 2 guitars now. Those Gianotti guitars I'm gonna hang.
Yeah, we'll figure out something.
Yeah.
I got an idea. I'll tell you later.
All right. It's a secret.
Yeah.
Don't tell the world.
Yeah. So it is fun just to kind of browse through these shelves. Oh, aren't those fancy little juice glasses? Like I said, should turn my light on. That's an interesting blue bottle. Poodle? Or is that, I don't know, some kind of shaggy dog. Now that is very pretty. It's very pale, but I think that's gorgeous. May seem kind of simple, but it's just the shape of it that I love, because it goes with the milk glass. A lot of your other pressed glass ones. Funny. So, like I said, sorry, I don't know what Norm showed you. Probably not a whole lot, but they do have an awful lot of shelves back here. A lot of holiday stuff too. What is this? Look at that bottle. It's yellow and clear. Only $10? I don't know why, but that makes me think it's like flashed on color. It's really hard to show you, sorry. I don't know why, I just have a funny feeling. These are swans with a lily pad on their head. A couple of tiny planters. I don't know. These are nice. Ooh, 12 bucks each. Wow. Beautiful goblets. As you've seen in my 4th of July kitchen video, I do have a set. I thrifted all of the ones, the star goblets on the left from Family Pathways. But I've not seen the one that says happy birthday. Wow. That's different. They could be, I don't know if they're Libby or not. But I like them.
I think this store has more lures in it than a sports shop. I got these wires everywhere and they're full. Actually, this is a fishing rod that's holding these up. Yeah, you just turn around looking, you're going to see some more. They've got a very, very large lake here. It's called Green Lake. Beautiful lake. And it's very nice. And we stayed at a castle here on the lake. My business partner gave Peggy and I for our anniversary one year. He and his wife tickets to it for a weekend. Then they had a dinner cruise, so that was kind of fun. That's a funny cookie jar. Got a feeling Peggy might have videotaped it already, except they're not using videotape. But anyway, it's making me hungry. I bet there's a bunch of chocolate chip cookies inside there.
If you're looking for ornaments, this is a fun place to look. It's full of ornaments. And Christmas stuff. $10 for a set of brass and abalone shell Christmas tree candle holders. $10 is very reasonable. Here's 3 more of the melted popcorn plastic decorations, 2 snowmen and a Santa. They're all $24.50. Boy, they're expensive, aren't they? These look Scandinavian. Not sure if that's more Norway or Sweden. Just not familiar enough with some of those designs. Maybe Norm showed this, but that's kind of cute. Wow, this is adorable. That is so cute. I'm very tempted for $9. You know, it looks like a lid, but it's still really, really, really sweet. I'm gonna have to check that out. I'll bet it's a lid. I don't know. If it's not, yeah, It's a lid, but it's still so cute. I don't know where to set this down. I like that. Oh boy. That's pretty reasonable. I haven't been too bad here today, but that's so cute. I don't see chips on it. Really neat. See, you can set that in the center of a plate and then put eggs around it. Yeah. That's perfect. I think I want that. I'll go get Norm. Look at all the strawberry stuff. It's kinda too orangey red for me. Looks like the tomato ones. But that's strawberry. And these are funny. Those are eggs. $7.50. Salt and pepper. I don't know. They are cute. Never seen those before. That looks like a beautiful milk glass plate. I have some with the outside pierced area, but not with the inside pattern. I've never seen that before. He's funny. This is $10 for this adorable kitty embroidered piece of material. Could be framed. Very, very sweet. A lot of work. There's plenty of pillowcases, beautiful embroidered pillowcases. These bluebirds are really sweet. Yeah, lots of textiles here. That's pretty neat. Doily.
You know, I bought a coat like this for Peg. I don't know why, but I haven't seen her wear it anywhere yet. Here's a kid who had a can of worms and 2 nice bass and his dog. And here a guy is offering him $5 for the fish because he doesn't have any at all. And he doesn't want to go home empty-handed. Otherwise, he's going to say, why do you waste your time fishing when you come home empty-handed? So he's trying to make it look good for him. And the kid's wondering, $5 maybe, $10, $15 you can have them. I just realized that this one had a remote box on it and the steering wheel is missing. I found over at one of the shops that we shop at a Ford Thunderbird, new. It's not new, but it's in the box, and it's got the controller on it, and it's got a retractable roof on it. And they're trying to identify who the vendor is so they can let me know if I could buy it from them. And here we have a Ford tractor, and it looks like it's got buttons to raise and lower the dump part of it. You can tell I'm not into tractors. But anyway, it would normally have a steering wheel up there on that one knob. And then you could dump the scoop. I think they call it scoop. I'm going to call it a scoop. Sure, it's a scoop.
Look at this funny little elephant. I'm assuming it's a kid's nightlight. That's the only thing I can think of. It's $15. Yeah, that's pretty old. Lots of fun toys here. Yeah, they're all over in this section. What did I see that was so cute? Oh, they're cute back there. The Muppets. There was something. Oh, this little baby. Oh, that's so cute. Debbie, the card says, little wooden walker thing, I guess. She's a funny cookie jar. I don't know if I've ever seen her before either. A little too sweet for me, but a couple little chips on her toe. 15 only. There's some deals to be had here. Yep. Look at this gold dot covered dish, baking dish. Only $12.95, and pink is pink speckled. I wonder who made that. That's really, really inexpensive. These lids are always harder to take off. It does have a chip, unfortunately, but it still would display just really sweet. Don't you think? If you don't mind a chip and you're just displaying it, that's pretty neat.
This one here is a nice desk hutch. Got the cabinet down on the side. And look at the wood on these doors here and drawers here. Wow, nice. $99 for that. That's a pretty good price. Got a lot of unique and really great condition furniture in this place. That is really nice. That might even hang, oh yeah, it probably hangs on a wall because I think it's got these two hooks here to mount it. Yeah. It's too nice to be down on the ground. Yeah, cherry wood. I like the hinges on it. That's nice. Beautiful bookcases. Look at the wood front on this one. I'm just going to bend that down and read it later. Getting tired bending over. Yeah, a lot of neat little cabinets around here that would fit in any nook and cranny you might have left in your house. We are out of nook and crannies at our house. How's your day going? Don't have much to say, huh? Okay.
Wow, and here's more blue glass. Oh, the snail is cute. And a mushroom, I think. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, it's so sweet. All of these glass roses and beautiful. Lots of, oh, look at the bear planter. He's cute. Very nice. More blue glass. Amazing. Yeah, very nice. We had a lot of fun here. We hope you enjoyed it. This is quite a big mall. Norm was showing you at the beginning. So I'm just saying goodbye for now. Thank you for watching. We sure appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye now.